Typically, the progression of a bachata dancer is when they're new and they're just learning and they go out to social, they're going to struggle quite a bit because they're still getting used to all the movements and they still have to remember a lot of things. But then they keep taking lessons, they keep challenging themselves, and they're able to do more intermediate, more complex movements, and they keep taking lessons after lessons, and maybe they're even capable to do advanced movements, long advanced movements with certain people from the same class. But then there's always this sweet spot, I think, where you're not a pro, so you don't need to do super crazy complicated movements because you're filmed all the time, and you're not exactly a beginner, so it's not just basic steps, basic steps, basic steps all the time. Whenever you ask someone, what's the best dance that you've ever had? Most of the time, they're going to answer, it's very simple, but very musical. Because like for the guys, you don't want to struggle and look like you're thinking most of the time when you're dancing, and for the girls, they don't want to look like they're they look like an idiot because you tried to do this weird move, and so neither of them enjoys the dance. So in this video, I want to break down a very simple move by one of the more well-known couples out there, Kike and Nahir, and it is very short so that you can use it at any time. You can recognize this lead very easily, and also this got a technique that if you apply this well, you can apply this to many other movements. So if you can learn this technique well, you can use this to make a bunch of other moves a lot better. Okay, so on this episode, we're gonna focus mostly on the upper body isolations. Let's have a look. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh. Very musical. Let's one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, but slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's break this down. 2, 3, 4. Look, this is very important as a lead. All of his weight is transferred there to his left because he's going this way. And bachata sensual is very important as the prep. If you want to do the move, you have to do the prep really, really well. And he's going all the way to his left so that he can send her all the way to his right. So this is a very, very important fundamental for you to know. It's always the opposites. If you want to prep a dip, then you have to go up. If you want to prep to the right, then you have to go to the left. And then have a look at the shoulders. So the way he's leading is not with his arms. The way he's leading is he's leading it fully with his frame. Look at his frame. His frame moves. So it's not just arms, it's his whole frame is leading it. Why is it important for his whole frame to lead it? Because this is it's a very important signal for the ladies. Now this is for the ladies. The way that you can follow, obviously you can style this at this point, ladies, you can style this however you want. But there's also a way for you to recognize the lead the way he wants, which is, this is very musical, so you can follow this. And the way you follow this is you have an engaged frame and connected to his frame. Look at the hold here that he's got, that just holding her arms. So when he goes down, if she engages her frame, when one side goes down, one side goes up. One side goes down, one side goes up. So because she's engaged in her frame, she's able to follow this easily. That's it. As usual, thank you so much for watching, and if you like it, please click the like button, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends about it so that this channel can keep growing. And I really appreciate you guys, so I'll see you in the next video.